Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the Jasper.ai affiliate program. I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step how you can make money from Jasper.ai. Jasper itself is an incredible AI content creation tool that allows you to generate high quality blog posts, social media captions, Amazon product descriptions, emails, and so much more with just a few clicks. I've been using Jasper myself for over 6 months now, and it has saved me tons of time when it comes to creating content. And the best part is it has an amazing affiliate program where you can earn recurring commissions. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works and how you can join this program in order to make money with it. So as I mentioned, Jasper is a user-friendly AI writing assistant that allows you to generate content around any topic or keyword. All you need to do is to enter a few prompt details like the topic, tone, and length, and Jasper will instantly provide you with fresh, unique content. The AI is really advanced, so the content reads like it was written by a human, and this makes it perfect for things such as blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, email sequences, and so much more. And this all presents an amazing opportunity for us to make money with Jasper in a different kind of way using affiliate marketing. So as of right now, Jasper offers a generous 30% recurring commission in all paid accounts. So if you refer someone to Jasper and they sign up for a paid monthly subscription, you will earn 30% of that subscription cost every single month. And it is recurring for as long as they remain a paying customer. So the commission structure would look something like this. For the creator plan, it is $49 per month, and you would get about $14.7 per month if you get someone to subscribe with this plan. There's also the Teams one at $125 per month, and with that one you'd be making $37.5 per month. So as you can see, the recurring commissions really can add up over time. As for the simple steps to get signed up as a Jasper affiliate, you simply want to type in the link jasper.ai/affiliate-application or search Jasper.ai affiliate program onto Google. Click on this blue start button right here, and then it would ask you simple questions such as what's your name, so first, last name, the country that you're in, and simple other kind of information. As you would notice, it is straightforward to enter those details and apply for this program. Once you submit the form, you will get an email with your unique affiliate login details and the tracking links. And whenever somebody clicks on your link and signs up for a paid Jasper account, you will automatically start earning commissions. And on top of that, Jasper itself makes it really easy to track your clicks, leads, and commission earnings in your affiliate dashboard. You'll be able to see exactly how much recurring revenue you are earning each month. And don't worry, Jasper provides plenty of affiliate resources like email swipe copy, promo graphics, and recommended strategies to help you succeed. And now that we've applied to join the Jasper affiliate program, let's talk about some of the best ways to promote it and start earning commissions. And the first thing is content marketing. You may want to create blog posts and YouTube videos just like this one, showcasing Jasper's features and benefits. Share case studies demonstrating how you use Jasper in your business, and publish step-by-step tutorials for getting started with Jasper. Obviously, include your affiliate link prominently. There's also the paid advertising strategy, as you can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Google. And that way you can target people interested in content writing, marketing, blogging, and all of that. And through those ads, you can drive traffic to your affiliate link and capture leads. Email marketing and leveraging micro-influencers can also be a great way to help boost your conversions. However, no matter what method you end up choosing, you must prioritize providing value to your audience in order to convince them to actually click on your links and make a purchase. The Jasper affiliate program is perfect for content creators or marketers, maybe bloggers, and even freelancers who are looking for an easy way to generate passive income online. The 30% commissions add up quickly, especially as you refer more users to paid monthly subscriptions. And that would be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions about the Jasper affiliate program, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one or affiliate marketing.